Today we're in Morton National Park outside of Bundanoon in the Southern Highlands, and we're heading down to Fairy Bower Falls. From there we'll continue on descending down to Bundanoon Creek and go in search of a hidden wild swimming spot at the base of a waterfall. Looks like it's going to be steep. Let's go! Well, the first few minutes of this has just been an easy downhill fire trail. Now the stairs are beginning. I think we're going to be seeing a lot of stairs today. Well, it's only 80 metres to the lookout. Let's go check that out before we keep going. You don't get a view of the falls themselves, but you do get a view over the valley. We're going to head to the base of the falls next. How cool are these old cut stone steps up here?
We hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, give it a like, drop us a comment, and if you're not already, consider subscribing to our channel.
Well, how spectacular are Fairy Bower Falls? Well worth a visit down here to the base of the falls. We're now going to head on down to Bundanoon Creek. Once you leave the base of the falls, the track is still well defined, but it can get a bit rougher in some places. We've reached a junction here. We're going to continue down the path behind me to Bundanoon Creek. However, on our return visit, we're going to be coming back up here and using Tooth Lookout as our exit. Well, the track down to Bundanoon Creek so far has been really well defined, and so far, no pink tape. Well, we're just above Bundanoon Creek now, and it's starting to get very steep. Well, we've just hit Bundanoon Creek, and how beautiful is this wild swimming hole. We might stop here ourselves and have a quick dip to cool off before we go in search of our hidden wild swimming location. At the swimming hole, you'll need to find a place to cross the creek, and then on the right hand bank as you head upstream, there's a fake trail. There are signs of a track in place along this right bank, however, you will just need to find your own way. So after 200 to 300 metres of travelling up the right-hand bank of Bundanoon Creek, if you look onto the left, you'll see another creek flowing in. This is where you'll need to cross Bundanoon Creek and head up that one, and then we'll find our hidden secret wild swimming spot. Once you've crossed over the side creek, you need to scramble up here, around the tree, along the ledge, past another tree, and then you've reached our hidden swim spot with a waterfall. Wow, this place is absolutely spectacular. On a sunny day, this water would take on a beautiful aquamarine glow. It's just too good not to take a dip here. Let's go see how cold that water is.
We hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, give it a like, drop us a comment, and if you're not already, consider subscribing to our channel.
Here we go! How cool is this? Wow, how amazing is that? Well, there you have it, Fairy Bower Falls and the Hidden Wild swimming spot. Place is absolutely magic. Don't tell anyone, but do come find this spot. So I've just finished the walk up from Bundanoon Creek. The sign does say it's steep and I would have to agree. We're going to go and check out Tooth's Lookout now and see the views from there. If you've liked this video, drop us a comment, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.